Hello, I'm Jeremy and I'm here at the TRQ Research and Development Facility today. This is where we test all of our parts on a fleet of vehicles, and today we're going to be putting a power window switch in the passenger side of this 2012 Ford Escape. If you're looking for a power window switch for your car, definitely look for the TRQ brand because it fits right and it's going to fix your problem the first time. So let's get started. Down here in the pull handle, you're going to find a little rubber cover, and behind it is a Phillips head screw. We're going to remove that Phillips head screw. All right, there it is. Under this panel, there's a tab here and a tab here. We need to pop those out, and hopefully we won't break them. We're going to use a plastic prying tool, like that. There we go. All right, let's take a look. Here's one tab, here's the other. And then we'll need to disconnect the power window switch, so we're going to push this tab down and then slide the connector out, like so. To remove the switch, you want to push on this side and pry on this side. We're going to use a door panel removal tool, and as long as you're pushing down on the window switch, it should pop out. Yep, you can see those tabs are now loose. So now we're going to switch to the other side, still pushing down on the window switch. There's another and another. There we are. Reinstallation is the same exact way it came out. You just snap it into place, just like that. Now we'll plug in our window switch, and then we can snap the trim piece down into the door panel. We can then put the Phillips screw into here, and then we'll cover it over with the trim.